Start this fourth T20 international from the National Stadium in Karachi. Moeen Ali has won the toss and he asked Pakistan to bat. So again, it's Rizwan and the captain who are going to have to lead things away. They've done it so.
Sweet shot. He's got the other ones, a little paddle as well, but he made sure he hit it.
Well, that was good. Quick off the mark as well, so it's just dropped away. It's not far for these two.
But this format, they don't believe in that. They just believe.
Yeah, it's swung again.
Yeah, when searching for swing, pound swing.
Line flicked away. The other thing that... Nice.
And anything in the gap here will race it.
Backed offside field. That's guided in. But what we do know is that on a flat pitch, that little bit of width, all that he needed. He does have pace, Ollie Stone, not quite the same electric pace, I don't. Well, it looks like at the boundary, but only 4. Nonetheless, that's enough to take the score up to 31 without loss in the first 4 overs. Nicely drop it a little bit short like this, and it opens up the opportunity. These pitches give you so little margin.
You see, it's sometimes.
It's nice. Very much premeditated, but very nicely played.
Sweeper went to the fence, now he just paddled it away, so... Scoring bulk of France. Full toss, hit straight on the boundary.
Well, England struggling to find the right line, right length. It's up in the air, should be taken. No, throw it in. 50 up. Oh, that's a good shot. That's a terrific shot. Let's talk about the... Is purely because that's nicely nudged away for 4. Beautiful touch. Played it very, very late. Used the pace. Third man up in the circle. It's there to be hit on the front foot. Well, it hasn't made any difference to Babar Azam.
And the ability of the bowlers.
Oh, that's skewed up in the air.
Beautifully bowled.
That's up in the air. That's gone a bit further.
Seem a bit lost.
But is this the usual into the second 10 overs? He'll accelerate. That's gone straight to deep mid-wickets. That time. Pressure, as it were, tell.
Babar walks back for 36.
Interesting start. Yeah, straight to short.
That's another good delivery. Very good over.
This one, he loves that swivel. And
Ollie Stone back in. Fuller this time. And nice. You can see the effort. Not out in the middle of the bat. It's high in the air. Oh, it's gone down.
And it's drilled down the ground. Shimmy down the track and smoke for a boundary.
Gets away with a full toss. Shan showed it.
And you're thinking 133 for 1.
Rizwan tries to heave it away. That'll find the boundary. It's all down the leg side, and yes, got him. Yes, absolutely.
A little bit of reverse, but quite full. And it's 149 for 2.
Kushtil on strike. Slower ball. It's gone straight up in the air. Moeen Ali positions himself underneath it and pouches it comfortably. 5. He chips it straight to. Comes in. He's on a hat-trick. The man is underneath it, but he's not far back enough. Well, it's a perfect time to ball. Oh, it's a monster. Asif Ali, where have you been?
Like you suggested.
Little shimmy. That's going to...
And there's not many...
No holding back, straight away. Well, it's in the air this time towards the deep mid-wicket, and that's a very, very different result. Pulled away rather nicely, and that'll roll away beautifully for 4. Oh.
And got a little cramp for it. Hit the higher part.
Wicket of this over.
Having a great night so far, 14 for 3. That was the end of the over, that's away for 4. And someone like Ben Duckett will... And it was Duckett and Brook.
Yeah, one has to give credit to the Pakistani selectors.
Well, he's done well to get it there. Ben Duckett has had to use all his ingenuity to manage that.
15-20 minutes. Well, he's not waiting here.
1.5 seconds. Yeah, this is where I say the confidence that Duckett has.
The pressure. Once again, hitting the ball into the gap. It's running away from Baba.
Just gets away with it and gets another boundary. So 3 successive.
In the air. Oh no. Oh no.
Shot. That's not high risk. Pings it through the gap on the offside. 50 up.
Pulling the last 2, Ryder Bakar. Oh, that was close. Very, very close.
That's quite straight. That's quite straight. And he's given it. I'm not surprised that he's been given. Duckett goes for 33. It's 57 for 4. Brook goes over extra cover. That is utterly splendiferous. Moeen is going to fight.
He's just under 9. The only problem with England is a wicket.
6-1-4. Oh! That has been nailed. Moeen Ali joins the party.
Whoa, that's 4. Got enough on it. Got it just wide enough for the fielder.
Was in the air. Into the gap.
Help them through. Ball in! Ball in! Mohamed Nawaz is the man who strikes here. That is... Oh! And now for David Willey. Oh, there are those quick hands.
An amazing stroke.
Times in this series already from Harry Brook. Oh, he's got it! Straight down his throat, a long leg. Cheek.
And obviously third man was up in the circle.
Harris. Again, same shot.
Willie. And...
Oh, that is a beauty. He spiked him. That is right out of the Wacker and Wazim. Oh, shot. Oh, shot. That's gone all. Finds the gap. It was a slower ball. Oh, he's dug that one out. That might have hit the gap as well. It has. Oh, that's going to be 4. That's an absolute gimme. That's the worst delivery of the over so far.
Down leg side, square leg put up in the circle. This will race away to the boundary.
Dawson on the hook shot. He's found the gap again. Oh, it's in the air. He's got him. He's got him. He's got him. Knocked him over. Oh, this is Pakistan cricket at its very best. best. Oh, should be run out, must be run out.